Even when the ground is bare of snow in the eastern Montana winter, you can find breathtaking scenes of subtle beauty. Hills of sage give way to the vast open skies. This is my homeland, where wondrous beauty can be found in the brown ground. Here you are free. Even without its snow, Montana winter is a glorious thing. And I bring you these treasures from the skies. Until new incredible adventures coming soon, I hope the Big Sky Country fills you with life and you wander in wonder.